Alright, now time to remove the alternator stand. I have removed the nuts. They were 13s. Okay. And look at this. See that? There is a gasket here. There's an airplane going overhead. There's a gasket here. And then there's that little gizmo. A little splash preventer. Okay. Get it. Don't need that anyway. Okay. Oop. There we go. Camera, it's terrible. This goes on a certain way. Okay? Right? Bish. See that? That's the way it goes on. Then there's another gasket under it. Alright. I think that's that.